Okay, a couple other things to mention. Because the heat fins are oriented vertically, we want the drive to always be installed vertically, not horizontally. And this will help the chimney effect of the heat to be removed from the drive. This, we call it a Lexan because that's the material, but this overlay sticker, for an OEM account, we can use your colors and your logo to further emphasize your brand and make that unique to you. We are continuing to look at ways to further improve this and always appreciate your input and thoughts.